Ibrahim moved closer and gently said, "Dear son, you are too young. The pilgrimage of Hajj is not wajib on you yet." He slightly chuckled and continued, "Please tell me the truth. Where are you actually going?" Ibrahim could understand from the child's facial expression that he was serious. The young child replied firmly, "Have you not seen someone younger than me go on a journey before?" Ibrahim thought to himself, "This child's answers are much more sophisticated than a normal child his age. There's something special about him." He got off his horse and quickly made his tone more respectful. Ibrahim placed his hand on his heart and apologized for joking. He asked, "Where are your food, water, and horse? How do you plan on getting to Mecca?" The young boy answered, "My food on this path is piety and taqwa. I will walk to the house of Allah with my 2 feet." Ibrahim was speechless at the young child's answer.